What's up, YouTube? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Killer here. Today I got a new one for you. I'm going to be doing another video for shotgunning a 24 ounce. Today I got Keystone Light. This one's going to be a special one. I challenge MGD will send it, the Nelk Boys, and Steve will do it, to see who can shotgun it faster. I have a timer right here. Crack it open. Cracking it open doesn't count, so you don't have to count this. You gotta pre-crack it would be better. But you do how you want to do. Once you open that top, that's when you know the game starts. Any strategy works. You want to do it in one go. You want to do it in one go, do it in one go. If you have to stop and take a break, stop and take a break. It's whoever does it the fastest. I'm going to start mine right now. I'll go. How do I spilled some? I did terrible. You guys will fuck me up. Didn't really eat that much, but hey, fuck it. But again, I challenge MGD will send it. Steve will do it. Nelk Boys and any other sender that wants to do it. Any 24 ounce, doesn't matter what 24 ounce you want to do. Just gotta beat 44 seconds. Alright, that's it. I will have ways to support me in the, I guess, the description or whatever I'm going to call it, below the title. But other than that, hoping by the end of this year I can get merch, an editor, and a camera, better camera for this. So I fucked up and did it sideways, but see, this is why it would be good for an editor. Other than that, 1, 2, 3, 4, Mr. Killer out. Till next time.